Here's my third video. Are you guys ready for me and my dad to knock over it? Say hi to the camera, Daddy.
Hi.
Okay. We're gonna do special effects. If the special effects don't work, we're not gonna make the sounds and blow stuff up.
Oh yeah.
Which one should we? Which one should we use first?
Let's send that one out.
Okay.
Locked and loaded. Whoa. Okay.
Load it up.
Which one's next, Brian?
All right. Load it up.
Wait.
Daddy's weak right now.
Hi, do it. Hi, do it, Dad.
Got it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, destruction. Let's send Pia's pocketbook at it. Oh yeah, the baby's pocketbook. 1, 2, 3. Oh, Skylanders, see you later. Lock and loaded. Let's send Mommy's shoe at it. 1, 2, 3. Oh, locked and loaded. Let's send P at it.
That's awesome.
What else we got?
We got Sophie's toy.
Locked and loaded. Sophia's Minnie Mouse. Whoa!
We're playing.
Let's load P up in it again. 1, 2, 3. Let's send it right into the pile.
Wait, I got a good idea. Just send the sword into it.
Locked and loaded. Whoa! The whole place is wrecked. All right.
Reckon.
Video. Stand, right?
No, we're still getting it. Come on.
What's left?
We're still gonna do that effect until like all of it disappears.
Okay, that one, Pia.
Coco.